All right, everybody. Welcome back to the Woodworking Apprentice. And I wanted to do a quick update on video number 2, where I talked about the different types of wood and the different grains. So I actually got the opportunity for another project that I'm working on to get a large quantity of Padauk. And I talked about it, and I said that I didn't necessarily have the best a representation of Padauk. So I wanted to throw this out there that way everybody could see it, because I truly think this is a gorgeous wood, and I just kind of wanted to show it to you and let you see what it looks like. So check this out. I mentioned just a second ago, check out all of the ribs and the different colors that are in it. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous how you get that. And one thing I want to show out here is, if you see, this is the edge of the board and there's that light coloring there. That is actually a little bit of sapwood that still came through on this board. Sapwood tends to be a little bit softer than the hardwood heartwood. But one thing I'll say is that if you ever get a board, and in a circumstance where you can use some softwood as well, but if you get a board that's got this light ribbon of sapwood through there, as well as the Padauk coloring of hardwood, then you can make some very beautiful projects with that. So I wanted to give you kind of a close-up look and see what it looks like. But it's a gorgeous wood if you haven't ever gotten a chance to really pay attention to it. Bringing it right over here, look at that. Okay, that is a amazing color. Color representation for one. Padauk's, you can see this thin piece right here. That is a little bit of sapwood that was left over on this board. It's amazing what you can have from a different color and variation standpoint. Padauk is very commonly got these dark ribs that run right through it, and you can see that. And then you have almost like a sap leaching through here that you can really shine and show out as well. So I'm hoping to be able to turn this big piece of Padauk into a real nice blanket ladder for a customer. But I wanted to go ahead and throw that out to you and let you see what it looked like. So I personally love Padauk. I think it looks awesome. Typically, it's not a very, very expensive hardwood. It can be a little pricey, but as long as you are nice to it and take good care of it and plan your cuts, you can get a lot of projects out of a big board like this. So anyway, just want to throw that out there to you because I had an opportunity to get a nice good looking piece of Padauk.